Cyafixed product introduction and precautions. Each bottle of glue comes with a spare cap and 3 micro glue tip for fine gluing. Our lids are metal spikes with an anti-clogging designed to prevent you from clogging the bottle after use. The micro tip can easily handle any project that requires fine bonding. It can precisely control the use of each drop. It is recommended to clean the head of the glue after each use. Tip: if the glue inside the micro glue tip is used cleanly, then it can be reused or cut off the clogged part.